I feel raindrops. Oh, look at that. Beauty. Lots of flowers this year. I bet those flowers are because the fires last year, maybe they carried the seeds or something, because there's way more than there normally is. Birdie. Holy, it's thick through here. Oh, it's got the side of the mountain. Oh, it's gonna happen. Way steeper than it looks. Oh, I'm gonna pull it off. Oh, maybe not. Oh, we gotta angle out here a bit. Whew. All right. Oh, here's that. Oh, that's tight. Whoa, I almost got off course there. This one's tight. Like if I had a half a gear instead of first gear, that's what gear I'd be in. Like a really tight. Whoa. Don't really want to mess this one up either. This is a cool spot right here, actually. Yeah, let's get situated and we'll have a chat, you guys. So yeah, I got the no bag look for a change. I'm going with my super big saddle bag for now. Tank bag, I should say. It's a little annoying, but it's not that bad, to be honest. I got several sizes of those bags. I'm just trying to find ways to not carry saddle bags and not have to have a backpack on. So I'm probably going to go with the next size down tank bag, which I have, and then tools in the back on the back rack, and then that should do me. I really like the look of it, looking like a dirt bike, not like a horse with saddlebags on. But yeah, let's go down this gnarly little trail. This part is exceptionally tricky. You don't want to catch a foot peg on this or it'll send you down the cliff. Not that I've done that, LOL. Yeah, it's super steep down in this canyon, so you don't want to go down there, because I'd be calling a helicopter, let me put it that way. This part here is yeah, this is not beginner level stuff, you guys, so just there's the disclaimer. You can see the trail goes up the side of the cliff there, I guess. But I cleaned this trail up not too long ago on my little electric bike. Yeah, you wouldn't want to go down there. You wouldn't be getting out. But yeah, one of my top secret trails. I've had this trail for years, decades actually. It was actually made by cows back in the day. Oh yeah, nothing wrong with that view. There's storm clouds all around me, so I don't know. Beautiful though, hey? Let's go a little, push on a little further here. It's where the big old XR chugga, right? On these, where you just don't want to spin the rear tire, that's where that big heavy flywheel, which the XR is known for, which is one of the main reasons I like the bike. It just, you know, you can go like this and just, you know, almost let the clutch all the way out on a hill here and it'll keep going. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spots. Nothing wrong with this. I had to cut this one out the other day too. It was it doesn't look that tricky. Maybe on my enduro bikes it's not a big deal, but on the big dual sports or the adventure bike, you know, it's a big deep ravine here, and that one was pretty much couldn't really get across it in an effective way just because of the angle. So I had to cut that one out. Now I can get through here. You know, if you end up in the ravine down there, I doubt you're getting your bike out by yourself. Yeah, I guess you could ride out maybe over there or something. It'd be a little, wouldn't be fun, let me put it that way. Come on, heavy flywheel, get me there. This is a tricky little spot here. Okay, let's go take 5. This beautiful spot. So yeah, you guys, I want to let you guys in on a little not good news. It's been a rough, challenging time for me. I'm sure you guys have pets too. I lost my little Chihuahua I've had for 18 years. I had that little guy a couple weeks ago. He just, his little heart had had enough, I guess. And yeah, it's been a tough one, I'll tell you. So I'm sure you guys know what, all you pet lovers out there, especially the little Chihuahuas, they're just like a little, he was my sleeping buddy for 18 years. So that's not been, it's been a tough go, but he was also one of the reasons I couldn't go on very far adventure rides, and I couldn't really leave the house, to be honest. Every 12 hours he needed a heart pill, so, and the only way he'd take it is if I made a little ice cream ball and then I put the pill in there, and that's the only way. So it's not a very nice part of life, but there's nothing we can do about that, unfortunately. So yeah, needless to say, I haven't really been doing much YouTube stuff, but I do have plans to go crazy with YouTube in good time. Oh, there's my trail. Use me. Yeah, I like these tight little trails. You really got to use your skills and your balance, keep things going the right way. And it's all clutch work. My clutch has been in the whole time almost. It's really what's going to make you a better rider, you guys, is if you challenge your skills and your balance and your clutch control. Anybody can go down the forestry service road fast. That doesn't really require a lot of skill, to be honest. But when you start riding slow, using your clutch, using your balance, that's when you'll find out how much skills you got. These trails probably don't look tricky on the camera because nothing ever does, but they're a little tighter and more tricky than they look. So yeah, let me know what you guys have for pets. It's pretty, it's quite the bummer. I mean, it's just like losing a family member. In fact, it's exactly the same in my opinion. I don't know if you guys followed my stuff for a couple of years, but I lost both my folks within a month of each other in 2017 and 18. And that was really hard. But yeah, the little doggy there, he's you know, they're special little guys due to their size. They're right beside you through the thick and the thin. You know, most people's pets sleep on the floor. My dog never spent a day on the floor. Every single sleep he ever had was with me. So it's quite a change. Whoa! Trail complete. Oh, I see an opportunity to wheelie a log. As I get a fly in my eye, so my visor's not down. It's always enjoyable. Whew. Well, that's going to do it for me, you guys. That's just getting back into the swing of things with YouTube. It's going to be a different time for me in my life now. I'm not pinned to the house like I used to be. Sure miss a little fella. But let me know what you guys have been up to and what you guys are going to be doing this summer. I got my van all ready to go. I got the electric bikes ready to go. I got all kinds of videos planned for you guys, so stay tuned. Make sure you drop some comments, let me know what's going on, and hit this button right here, and I will see you guys on the very next video. Right on, bro.